The Lord know my limits, he don't stop me from pushing that. He's standing back like the skillet hot and I'm cooking fat. This not just crap, had your mind tied, not fighting back. The pain proving me, you human, get this user suit dead. Christian Dior goggles fighting invisible wars. Toggle the settings, you see more than before. Pen and paper don't confine my nature. Transpose the double cross to erase you. Applaud your way with the misbehavior. She could roll the dust that last all week. It's Fat Tuesday, get Ash Wednesday. The secret stash box a lot. With holy water splashed on the padlock. We stop but not die. Spread the gospel like the plot guy. Like your mama spread the eagle, show me ill, nah. Hit record, this another short to live and die by. I put my faith in the fly, faith in the Henny, faith in the dollar sign. Got this new arrive looking like CGI. Like Goodfellas in 2099. Got this new arrive looking like CGI. Godfather and X-Files but intertwined. Got this new arrive looking like CGI. That's proof in 2099. Got this new arrive looking like CGI. Godfather and X-Files but intertwined. Yeah, we them niggas gotta tell to take a break. Y'all ain't seen hell yet. Cowboy on the way. Let the visuals and singles circulate. Catch you off guard, catch you broad, waves. New shit, nigga. Ask the company, cocksucker. The Lord know my limits, he don't stop me from pushing that. He's staying back like the skillet hot and I'm cooking fat. This not just crack, had your mind tied, not fighting back. The pain proving me, you human, get this user suit dead. Christian Dior goggles fighting invisible wars. Toggle the settings, you see more than before. Pen and paper don't confine my nature. Transpose the double cross to erase you. Applaud your way with the misbehavior. She could roll the dust that last all week. It's Fat Tuesday, Ash Wednesday. The secret stash box a lot.
Top 8 przechodzi 3, 2, 1.